Hey, we should get to the glow plugs on a Toyota RAV4. This is a D440 model engine, and it's a 2003 model. So what you want to do is remove these two hoses. So get a Phillips head. The other one is here. Okay, then there are three number 12 millimeter sockets. One here, and one here. This one's already removed. There's one more here. Next, remove the plastic protection. $10mm socket. There are a few screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but one is missing from mine. And this is where your glow plugs are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got these plastic tabs which you can remove just with your hands. Next, this is a 10mm nut there, so just undo them so you can undo this whole bar. you want to do now is just remove this whole bar. This is where the positive goes. Put it there, and now you have access to your glow plugs. What you can do is just remove them, but what I'm gonna do now is test them with a multimeter. So put your common wires to the negative side of your battery, then go to ohms, and then just put the positive, put the red wire on the threads. And this is 1.4 ohms. The other one, .5 ohms. Let's just set it to manual. So this one's no good. This one is 1.5 ohms. The first one is 1.4 ohms, and the last one is 1.5 ohms. So we know the third one isn't working, the glow plug. So I know this is definitely gone. See the third one. You're supposed to get below 2.2 ohms, and you should get a reading below 2 ohms. If you don't, then that one's busted. So mine is busted. Anyway, you're gonna replace them as a set plug, but I now know definitely that that's a bad one, so I'm just gonna buy a set and replace them. Okay, bye, hope it helps, bye.